This 2019 Jayco Jay Sport 10 SD is a pop-up RV. It is located in Marriott-Slaterville, Utah, 84404 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Ogden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 13 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.